3 ways to manifest money almost instantly. I call it the 10-minute method. Manifest money fast into your life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, I want to invite you to get my latest free ebook, How to Turn the Universe into Your Personal ATM Machine. I'm serious. You can turn the universe into a cash machine and make life so much easier. It's absolutely free. Download it now, okay? Get it now, and it'll be in the description. So look into the description of this video. We'll have the URL there for you. So are you ready, high flyers? We are going to share with you 3 ways to manifest money almost instantly. I call it the 10-minute method. Now, each one of these methods that I'm about to share with you will work all by themselves. I mean, they just are that good, okay? But if you do all 3 of them, you're going to have even faster, more dynamic results in attracting money into your life. So high flyers, you and I both know that money is vibration, it's energy. And what happens is when you move into alignment with the vibration or energy of money, then money is just too damn easy to make. I mean, money comes to you easily, effortlessly. It's like turning the universe into an ATM machine. I almost said that again. But there you go. You got the idea. It's not challenging to make the kind of money you desire. You need to believe that. And once you have that belief, once that is really settled deep within you, everything else is easy. And these 3 methods I'm going to share with you, they're going to make it even easier. Oh, I know what you're thinking. Some of you, I can hear the skeptics out there. You know, the skeptics, they're in the peanut gallery, way back there. And they're going, I've heard all this before, Robert. This isn't going to work. Well, it's that kind of belief that will hold you back from manifesting the wealth that you desire and the wealth that you deserve. You see, that's the kind of belief that keeps people poor. I don't know of any person that has any serious amount of money that's a skeptic. They may be skeptical about certain things, but they're not skeptical about the universe and its ability to provide them with the money they desire. So number 1, high flyers, is this. And you need to say this. I am co-creator. I create alignment with the vibration of wealth. I declare it and I accept it. If you will say that, I declare it and I accept it. I accept that I'm co-creator. I accept that money is easy for me to create in my life. So the first one is acknowledging that you are co-creator of your reality. That you have the ability to create the alignment necessary to manifest the wealth you desire. I'm just so excited about this because I've seen so many people just with that one affirmation make massive changes in their life, financial changes. Okay, number 2 is what I call the chi ball method. Now that didn't even take 10 minutes to do that one. Here's this one. Rub the hands together. Visualize white light coming down. Feel that energy between your hands. Pull your hands apart. Feel that energy. Stretch the energy. You can take your time with this. And I like to make the energy kind of a nice green, maybe some tones of gold in there. Okay? And I just simply use one word. I never like to use whole sentences. Just one word. Money. Or prosperity. Or wealth. And now I have this ball of energy, and I simply take it up, bring it over my head, pull it down, and breathe it in. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take, but after you do that method, and after you declare that you are a co-creator, you might find money on the ground. You might get unexpected money in the mail. I just had somebody give me some Bitcoins out of the blue. I didn't even know what Bitcoins were, but I understand what they are now, and I understand it's a good investment. So, all of a sudden money just starts flowing into your life. Now, here's the third one. I call it money scripting. You get a notebook. It's dedicated to money. You don't have anything else in that notebook except your scripting about money. And each and every day, for just 2 minutes, you write a short couple of sentences about how money is coming into your life. And you can create situations. If you're a waiter, I was waiting on this couple, and they were very nice, very friendly. And when I was done, I went to get my check, and there was a $100 bill. You script situations that you want to see manifest. Okay, keep them 2 or 3, 4 sentences. Look, you're going to be shocked. I know it. You're going to be shocked at how the universe and the law of attraction can work for you to put money, real cash, in your pocket on a regular basis. Now, all 3 of these methods shouldn't take any more than 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Can you give yourself 10 minutes to fill up your wallet? I knew that you could. Okay, here's some other videos to help you on your journey.